Aneng is renowned for producing high-quality and reliable multimeters that cater to both professionals and hobbyists. Their devices are known for accuracy, durability, and a range of features that make them suitable for various electrical testing needs. If you're looking for the best Aneng multimeters, you're in the right place. Here's a roundup of the top 5 Aneng multimeters, each offering unique features and capabilities to help you tackle any electrical measurement task with confidence. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Aneng 612 Multimeter. Its intelligent 3-in-1 functionality. This isn't just any multimeter. It combines a calendar display, a thermometer, and of course, a powerful multimeter all in one sleek device. With the calendar display, you can keep track of your projects and deadlines right on your multimeter. It's perfect for staying organized whether you're working on site or in your workshop. And if you're working in environments where temperature matters, the built-in thermometer has you covered. Monitor both indoor and outdoor temperatures with real-time updates. It's a feature that's as handy as it is smart. Now let's talk measurements. The 612 makes checking AC voltage a breeze. Simply switch to the AC voltage mode using the SEL key, and you're ready to measure household voltage with ease. One of the coolest features is its high-definition LCD backlight screen. The display is crystal clear, whether you're working in bright daylight or in the dark. No more squinting or straining your eyes. Plus, the 612 is compact and lightweight. It fits comfortably in one hand and easily slides into your pocket or tool bag. Its small size doesn't compromise its capabilities, making it perfect for both industrial and everyday use. And check this out, the hidden support frame. It's designed for stability, allowing you to adjust the angle for hands-free use. Just pull it out, set your desired angle, and it stays put. It's practical and convenient. With a maximum count of 4,000, this multimeter is built for precision and durability. It's ideal for engineering, mechanical maintenance, and all your electrical measurement needs. The Aneng 612 isn't just about measurements, it's about making your work easier and more efficient. Pros: portability, temperature and humidity monitoring, user-friendly, versatility. Cons: accuracy, battery life, durability. Number 4. Aneng AN8008 Multimeter. First up, let's talk about the Aneng AN8008's impressive range of features. This multimeter is designed to handle both high and low current measurements with ease. With a maximum current range of up to 9.999 A, it's perfect for both delicate electronic circuits and high-power applications. And it doesn't stop there. The AN8008 boasts true RMS functionality, ensuring accurate readings for both AC and DC signals. This feature is crucial for professionals who demand precision in their measurements. When it comes to protecting your equipment, the AN8008 has you covered with its 550V protection in resistance, capacitance, and frequency ranges. You can work confidently knowing your multimeter is safeguarded against high voltage surges. The large LCD display is another standout feature, offering a maximum display count of 9,999. With a sample rate of 3 times per second, you can expect quick and reliable readings every time. But that's not all. The AN8008 comes equipped with a backlight, making it easy to read measurements even in low light conditions. Plus, it features relative measurement, data hold, and polarity identification, ensuring you have all the information you need at your fingertips. For those who work in varying lighting conditions or need to test multiple parameters, the backlight and large display are incredibly useful. The data hold function allows you to freeze the measurement, so you don't have to rush your observations. With low voltage indication and a square wave output, this multimeter is versatile for various applications, from simple continuity tests to advanced frequency measurements. Pros: high accuracy, compact, durability, battery saving. Cons: sample rate, battery dependency. Number 3. Aneng Q1 Multimeter. The Q1 features an HD backlit screen that's not just clear, it's brilliantly sharp. Whether you're in bright daylight or working under dim lighting, the values on this screen are always visible. No more squinting or second guessing. See how effortlessly the screen lights up? This is especially handy when you're working on those tricky, low-light projects or in tight spaces. Now, let's get into the real meat of the cone. It's not just any multimeter, it's packed with smart features that make it both intelligent and user-friendly. For starters, it's designed for multifunction measurement. From voltage and current to resistance and diode testing, this tool has got you covered. Need to check the continuity of a circuit? The buzzer measurement function lets you adjust the gear to determine whether the circuit is open or closed. It's quick and efficient. Adjusting the buzzer is simple. Just set it to the appropriate gear, and you'll hear a clear beep indicating the circuit status. This can save you a lot of time, especially during complex troubleshooting. And speaking of design, the Q1 is built to be practical. Its dimensions are 146x74x34 compact enough to handle comfortably in one hand. The ergonomic design ensures a firm grip, while the non-slip, wear-resistant panel makes handling a breeze. You can operate it smoothly without any accidental slips. Another standout feature is its diode measurement capability. You can test diodes effortlessly by simply aligning the test leads to the positive and negative poles. This ensures accurate readings, helping you diagnose and repair electronic components with confidence. And let's not forget about safety and durability. The Q1 comes equipped with a smart motherboard and double fuse protection. This means it's not only smart but also safe, protecting both the multimeter and yourself during use. Pros: versatile, safety features, additional features, clear display. Cons: functionality, battery life. Number 2. Aneng 683 Multimeter. Let's start with the standout feature, the VA color reverse display. This smart sensor screen not only provides a 6,000 counts maximum display but also comes with a data hold function. That means you get crystal clear readings, no matter where you're working. Touchscreen functionality on a multimeter? Absolutely. The Aneng sports a smart sensor touchscreen, just like your favorite smartphone. It's intuitive and responsive, making your measurement tasks smoother and more efficient. Safety and ease of use are at the forefront with the NCV induction sensor. This feature allows for non-contact voltage detection. As you get closer to a live wire, the sensor's alarm speeds up, and the flashlight starts flashing red. It's a crucial safety feature that helps you avoid electrical hazards. Say goodbye to disposable batteries. The Aneng features a USB lithium battery direct charge, making charging quick, convenient, and eco-friendly. Just plug in with the USB cable, and you're ready to go. This multimeter isn't just about looks. It's packed with functionalities to handle various tasks. From AC/DC voltage and current to resistance, capacitance, frequency, and more, this tester covers all bases. Whether you're dealing with a diode, a buzzer, or even checking fire lines, the Aneng 683 has got you covered. Working in low light conditions? No problem. The Aneng comes equipped with a built-in front flashlight. Illuminate your work area effortlessly and never miss a measurement. Durability and flexibility are key. The multimeter includes soft silicone wires that are both high quality and resistant to extreme temperatures. Plus, the extra pointed ultra-fine silicone pen is designed for precision with a high voltage tolerance and excellent flexibility. Pros: touchscreen interface, VA color reverse display, rechargeable battery, versatile measurement functions. Cons: durability. Number 1. Aneng AN870 Multimeter. First off, let's talk about what makes the Aneng AN870 stand out from the crowd. This isn't just any multimeter. This is a powerful tool packed with features that make electrical measurements a breeze. One of the standout features of the AN870 is its real-time temperature measurement. Equipped with a smart chip, this multimeter provides quick and accurate temperature readings, so you can keep a close eye on any temperature changes in your projects or appliances. You'll notice that it responds fast. The smart chip technology ensures that you get the value you need almost instantly, which is perfect for time-sensitive diagnostics. Next up is the AC voltage measurement. The AN870 allows you to measure common household AC voltages, which are typically above 220 V. Simply turn the dial to the corresponding position, and you're ready to go. Now, let's talk about the display. The AN870 features an HD backlit screen that provides gentle, yet clear visibility in any lighting condition. Whether you're working in bright sunlight or a dim workshop, you'll always have a clear view of your readings. Portability and convenience are key with the AN870. It comes with a pen slot on the back for easy storage of test leads, plus a built-in hook hole. This means you can hang it up when not in use to prevent any accidental drops or mishaps. And for those who need an extra layer of safety, the AN870 includes a contactless AC voltage sensor. This allows you to measure nearby AC voltage without the need for direct contact, reducing the risk of electrical shock. Pros: versatile, fast and accurate, user-friendly, affordable. Cons: accuracy limitations, durability, contactless voltage detection reliability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.